Hey guys, it's me. Today I'm starving and craving protein, so I'm making a turkey, bacon, and guacamole burger. This is Whole30 approved, so if you're looking for something that's delicious and filling, this is it. First, slice up a jalapeno. I just happen to be cutting up 2 because I'm saving the rest for my eggs in the morning. Next, we are going to rough chop a small bunch of cilantro, so start picking the leaves off of your herbs. Fine chop the jalapeno and cilantro together until it looks like this. Sprinkle an even amount of your herb mix onto each burger. You're going to roll each burger into a meatball and then squish it down into a patty. To spice your burgers, use some sort of steakhouse burger spice, fresh ground pepper, and salt. When you're done, this is what your burger should look like. Add your burgers to a preheated pan with some additional olive oil. When one side is golden brown, start cooking the other side until your burgers reach 165. Turkey burger with no bun just looks like this. I'm gonna try a bite. Oh my god. That is the best thing I've had in Whole30 so far. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below of other things that you'd like to see me do. And as always, have a great day. Bye.